Sway is what I can say it's like a PowerPoint, but if you want to try to use Sway, is more on the for the presentation actually, Microsoft Sway, but it's more on the graphical side. Okay, you can. It's like what I can see is you can create a storyline. Set your Sway is more on the inside the picture. So what I can see outside of Malaysia, they are already using Sway for primary school actually. Yeah. So because it's more interactive to have a fancy font, digital picture. So this is one of the features. If one want to explore, you can explore Sway.